Basics what? Basics what? Complete. Ethics. Let us make English more better. What is ethics? Not ethics. Ethics. What is the spelling? Ethics. Okay, no problem. Means ethics means when you sit in a table for having a cup of tea. If a lady, I tell you what, all girls, if a girl is there first, allow the girl to sit twice and draw the chairs for her. And this is basic ethics. In India, in foreign it is happening. I tried to do it when I was spending 9 years abroad. Then I came back in UK only, continued my job service. In UK only. And when the lift used to be open, I will open the door for the lady, the staff. And then I'll wait. Then whenever they said, I pull the chair. The first 2 weeks they said, "Sir, so 2 weeks this happens, and everyone was saying in the back of me. And then if the lady is well dressed up, normally looking good, at least एक बोलना पड़ेगा कैसे, madam you are looking you should praise them, but either just care. सीधा कंप्लेंट और कंप्लेंट और मेरा तारीफ करो। ये कौन सा कंप्लेंट हुआ? एक बार बोलो ठीक है, ऐसे today you are looking good, absolutely, just she told me thank you, that's enough, खत्म. Today you are looking,
I am looking beautiful, but she is saying thank you.
She is very smart. And when I said today compliment,
I said to her that she is.
And you are also looking, then say thank you.
Thank you.
For what? Okay, chali, done it. Basic ethics are enough. When I am saying something like that. Okay, so this is done. Anyone have any queries here? Let me put the very important topics, the word monsoon. In Arabic, we call the word monsoon as Mausam. So then, I put on a movie tha Shahid Kapoor ka, and the movie was 4 hours. And many people say boarding 4 hours. 12 ke bola Mausam bahut ghatiya tha. And then there was a Tamil movie which was even translated in Hindi as well. Tamil, I don't remember. Its name was Minsara Kanavugal. That is electric dreams as per the Tamil word. Hindi mein usko movie rakha Sapne. It's a A. Rahman's movie. Good. So बहुत लोग जैसे ही थिएटर से बाहर आया सपना बहुत अच्छा. तो सामने वाले सर ये मूवी का सपने. हाँ सर मैं सो गया था ना तो सपना बहुत अच्छा था. तो बाजू वाला कोई लड़की बैठी सपना बहुत जोर से क्यों मैं हूँ सपना. अच्छा correct. So let me put that word sapna and mausam. So what is mausam? The word monsoon. Let us understand what is the monsoon mechanism. Okay. So we always believe in India 2 things: arrival and departure. I'm using the word arrival and of what? Depends entirely on. ये हमारे students लोग बोलते हैं आज मेरा mood नहीं है ना, उसका मतलब क्या है? Very good. क्यों फिर mood यूज करा, मन बोलना चाहिए ना. पढ़ाई का बुक्स लेते हैं मम्मी आज मेरा मूड, बेटा कल भी यही बोला था, आगे भी वही बोलूं. फिर खाने का बिल्कुल है मूड लेकर आ, बेटा कल भी बोला था, हर रोज वही बोलूं. So when I use the word mood, it's very simple. It is highly, I'm using the word highly dependable or not dependable? Not dependable. Do you accept this? You accept this? Abhi Deepavali is on the corner. And the children are very new dress, everything ready. And paila crackers. Jhal se barish. Mummy! बोले क्या फटा नहीं किधर पानी गिर रहा बेटा वो कोई नहीं, वो अंकल को दूसरा काम नहीं, बकेट भर के डालूंगी. मम्मी अपना घर पे नहीं सब घर में बकेट भर के पानी डालो. बेटा उसको रेनफॉल बोलते. अच्छा मुझे लगा बकेट भर के पानी डालो. So what does it mean? So we use the word NRI. Anybody knows the full form of NRI? Okay. Out of India. That's correct. Who's that? Out of India only NRI. But full form क्या है? Actual full form is non-resident Indian. But अभी का NRI को हम लोग ने नया नाम दिया है. What is that नया नाम? Non-reliable Indian. Are you? मैं भी कर देना. Are we? Okay. So can I rely on you?
Yes.
So let us have two presentation after the small lectures. तुम्हारा turn है. Okay, so we always believe our monsoon is what? Come on, what is NRI? Non-reliable Indian. It's like my 12th student जब मुझे मिला after his 12, I said sir आजकल मैं LIC कर रहा हूँ. Very good बेटा. 12th में तू LIC. नहीं सर वो life में comfortable चले. मतलब और क्या? सर सुबह उठता हूँ फिर क्या करता है? फिर सो जाता हूँ. फिर दोपहर को उठता हूँ फिर क्या करता है? सो जाता हूँ. फिर करता क्या? सर खाना बहुत जरूरी है. खा के सोना पड़ता है. ना मामी टेंशन में आ जाती है बिना खाए कैसे? मतलब पापा तो खाते नहीं इधर के बात पे. मैं अकेला ही मिला तो मैं मुझे मेरे मुंह पे चुभती. So why I'm giving this example? Because we always believe monsoon affects your climate as well as my climate. Your weather as well as my weather. No, entire India's climate. So that is why we are putting Indian climate as which climate? Monsoonal climate. Depends on the arrival and departure. Let us write some lines. How is the arrival? We say generally the arrival should be in the month of June. Arrival should be in the month of July and departure should be in the month of September. But हमारा monsoon कैसे behave करता है? First arrival होता है August में and जाता है October तक. Is it so now this time?
Yes.
क्या है? आज भी हो रहा है. That's very bad. So is it NRI? Why sadly? Oh, that's correct. So is it NRI? Non-reliable? Let us say एक महीना पहले जाएगा. Generally होता नहीं है. Let us say June में start हुआ. September की जगह पर November तक जाएगा. So what is this? Oh my God, नहीं चाहिए November तक. I don't want to carry the umbrella or the whatever the raincoats. So we always believe due to this reason our climate also shifts accordingly. If it is arriving early, climate comes early. If it is arriving late, the climate also shifts late. That is why Indian climate is known by monsoonal climate. If somebody is influencing you, don't you think that influence comes over you? No, I will influence other person. I mean, really say that, sir, I am a big influencer. Nobody. At least. Your parents influence you. I don't think so. Today's parents are all bachara parents. और बच्चा बोलता है डैडी हाँ क्या हो गया बेटा आराम से बात करने का आवाज करने के तो डैडी बोलते क्यों अभी एक चाइल्ड लॉ बना रहा है मोदी जी तो जोर जोर से चिल्लाए ना यू आर इनसाइड जो क्यों हमारा ये एकदम सेंसिटिव है ना तो बन जाएगा तो तू कैसे देख सर ऐसा कोई लॉ नहीं बना अभी बनाएंगे और लड़कियां सर हमारे लिए बिल्कुल बना है. The mother should not come near to the mobile phone when the girl is talking, especially for cleaning work. समझा? When you are talking beautifully, मम्मी को तभी याद आता है. And लड़की बेचारी कभी इस रूम में कभी दूसरे में मम्मी वो वोडाफोन का डॉग की तरह पीछे पीछे. And ultimately लड़की ने बोला ठीक है मैं कल बात करता हूँ. तो तुरंत मम्मी ये कौन था? फ्रेंड. फिर कौन था? फ्रेंड. बॉय था मालूम नहीं. गर्ल था मालूम नहीं. Then 2 weeks नहीं बोल देता. इंडिया में नाम नहीं है, है ना? So why I'm saying the climate follows you wherever you go. What does it mean? It is the influence of the. Is that okay? So that is why Indian climate is best referred as which climate? Monsoonal. Then we add one more word. We call the word as tropical. What does tropical means? Since we are lying in the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer passes through center of the country, middle of the country. That's why Indian monsoon is known as tropical monsoonal climate. Absolutely clear. So we have the influence of monsoon over our seasons. Any problem? Let us get into the seasons. Now mechanism है monsoon के साथ explain करूँगा. You don't worry. Okay. So we have seasons of India. How many seasons do we have? Anybody? Absolutely. So let us use one students each. Everyone will write that seasons. Come on. Let's start with Purna. Good. Then you. Yeah. Yeah. अभी देख लो वाली बच्चे. First season. Good. Only winter है. अच्छा ठीक है. Many seasons. वो तो लिखो ना फिर. देखिए. I will ready. Good boy. And boy. Come on. Thank you. सोच के बोल नहीं आती है बेटा तू बड़ा छोटा लेकिन एक सिमरन सीजन कौन सा है सिमरन नहीं है वो सिमरन ने नया सीजन स्टार्ट किया हां चौथा कौन सा है दिस सीधा हां इट्स गुड सिमरन ने तो मैं कुछ मैं बोलता हूँ ना विंटर समर ऑटम आ जाओ जो भी लिखना है लिखो आई विल करेक्ट इट करेक्ट monsoon correct thank you so is there any other country in the world which have seasons like this मुझे गया ही तो मुझे क्या no you're wrong wait is she at Dubai in Burj Khalifa when she was like a girl. It's okay. So we always believe India has 4 distinct seasons. How many seasons? 4. Let us understand like we said winter. आप ही का line से extend करूँगा. Cool. Correct? It is not cold. It is not cold winter. Correct. Let us have summer. It is hot and humid. Correct? And what is autumn? What is it? Generally, autumn or spring we both then. Okay. So we say it is pleasant, neither hot nor cold. It's pleasant season. And the last one she has written, it is monsoonal. It is hot and wet monsoon or rainy season.
There is not much cold.
That's why it is cool winter, not cold winter.
Sir, what in our India there are some places.
Our India, correct. Which place? What are extreme? Like we have places which is -40, Dras. That is all the way in Himalayas. तुझे उधर कुछ काम था?
नहीं sir.
No, मुझे भी नहीं. -40. Dras, Kargil, they are -20, -40 throughout the year. Dras. तो लड़की ने बोला Dras. द्रास नहीं सुना कारगिल अभी हम लोग कारगिल को कौन सा दिवस मनाते हैं वही विक्ट्री ऑफ द कारगिल वॉर वी सेलिब्रेट एज व्हिच दिवस वेरी गुड इट इज विजय दिवस विजय शी इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट मोदी ने नाम दिया है तो तुरंत मोदी बोलता मोदी है तो मुमकिन है वो ऑल्टर एक्सट्रीम है which are very hot, which are very cold, but we take it average. याद है ये बच्ची बार-बार average बोलती थी. We'll take average only. Absolutely. Today's climate is totally different from Mumbai. आज मैं बाइक राइड करते समय मेरा दोस्त पुणे से था, बहुत बड़बड़ चालू था उसका. पुणे आमचा असं आहे तसं आहे मला उतरून खाली घे तसं आहे. बोले नाही मी बसणार आहे तो गप्प बस. ये ट्रैफिक में गाड़ी भगा रहा हूँ उसका चैटर बॉक्स चालू है. The Pune climate is totally different from Mumbai. I know that. Variations are there, but we'll take it as general climate. Okay? So whatever words you have written, it is absolutely right, but let us take it like this. The first season I will be explaining. Okay? The first season I will be explaining. It is hot and wet rainy season. Correct? So it is which month to which month? Very good. It is June to
July.
पहले भी है ना July to, actually I'm absolutely right. It is June to September only. So थोड़ा सा मैं mistake कर दिया. This is June to September. Let us have the second season. Come on. After this, we have season of retreating monsoon. हाँ मैं बताऊंगा. यही textbook में भी रहेगा. Season of retreating monsoon. What is retreating? Anybody? Returning. It is September खत्म हुआ. October to November. जो किसी ने इधर लिखा ना spring, वो है. And what is the third season? Come on. I'll tell you. October to November, then December to February. So we have cool and dry winter. I'm saying cool and dry winter. It is November khatam hua. So we say December to February. Correct? And the last season and the most important season, summer. How we explain that season? Hamara vacation milta hai na? What is that? It is hot and humid. Both pasina chutta hai ki nahi? Answer nazik koi nahi aa sakta hai. Hot and humid season. Hot and humid summer season. Sorry. Hot and humid summer season. And this is February what? So this is March to May. Now absolutely clear. In your textbook, the order might be different, but I'll be teaching you like this only. I don't want to shatter your lines, but I'm going to explain करने के लिए ये ज़्यादा easy पड़ेगा. Come on, let us repeat. First one, everyone. Season. Come on, everyone. Hot and wet. Month. Season of retreating monsoon. Season of retreating monsoon. Which month? Then cool and come on. Absolutely. So I will be explaining the details one by one, but before to that, I will explain the word called mechanism. Is all the part of the chapter very clear? Now, what we say the word mechanism. What is the word mechanism according to you? Very good, systematically. Do we have any system? Answer: we don't follow any system. That is our system. क्योंकि क्या बोलता है? Indian system is best because nobody wants to क्या बोलता है? Interfere with the system, the government system. You understand what is government system? Everything they will follow. आज मैं sign नहीं करेगा. बोले क्यों? आज मेरा मूड नहीं. क्यों? मैं ऑफिस में सैलरी लेने आया है तो आज मेरा पार्टी कम है. Whereas private people, काम है बहुत. बोले क्या काम है? कुछ भी नहीं है, but काम है बहुत. Correct. So when I am saying about in India, the monsoon follows a typical pattern. What is typical pattern? First, it arrives very late. जैसे हमारा स्टूडेंट 15 मिनट लेट आया है क्लास में. उन्होंने पूछा व्हाट इज द टाइम? सर इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम में मैं टाइम पे आया है, आप शायद जल्दी आ गए. मैंने बोला टू लेट है. सर इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम में मैं टाइम पे आया है, आप जल्दी आ गए. बोले ये कौन सा मैकेनिज्म है? मानसून मैकेनिज्म. बोले वो कैसे? सर ऑटो ही नहीं मिला, इतना बारिश है, मैं क्या करूं? Correct. So we always believe it is the monsoon which disturbs. No disturbs. It arrives and early or departs late. It is going to disturb. If I say if arrives in the month of July or August, this season will also shift ahead. And this season, I say July to October, November to December, then Jan to March, April to June. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So if it is arriving early, then also it is disturbing. If it is arriving late, then also it is disturbing. So we have 4 different seasons in India. So open up your notebook. Now write the heading seasons. So everybody had a good class today. Good enough. Thank you. Only write the seasons, then we'll follow the words which is written in your volume, because that is exactly the words they might have given. Acha, before do that, shall we write difference between client and weather? Because that is a beginning, na? Actually, write on first line. It refers to. Okay. It refers to the sum total, I'm using volume word, sum total of all weather conditions, sum total of all weather conditions and changes in local area as per the variations. You understand what is the variations means? Changes. Okay. Sum को एक काम करो, sum को cut करके state of atmosphere लिख दो. सोचो climate and giving. Yeah, what did you write? Climate or weather? Then it is correct. Don't cut. I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'm so sorry. 1 second. चलो वो भी लिखना है, अगर मन नहीं लिखना है. Okay, let's proceed. Normally, to settle, to decide. ये भी climate का ही है. Normally, to decide the climate of a given region. Why is he thinking? You have to write. Huh? Normally, to decide the climate of a given region, a minimum time period of how many years? 35 years observation is required. 35 years observation is required. Example, Indian climate is tropical monsoonal climate. Indian climate is tropical monsoonal climate. Second point, it is observed for a larger geographical area. A larger geographical area is tropical monsoonal climate. It is observed for larger geographical area.
Observation is
Minimum and 25 years. What do you got?
the minimum observation is
Required. And my dictation is going very fast. Your writing is very slow. That's it. Where is your favorite here? Raji, and my gaps have in between. जो बोला ना, and then क्या punishment है? कोई next bulletin आपको दोबारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Not an useful list. Okay, chलिए. Write it in the pen note. Next. Okay. Then write. It is observed. What did I say? Larger geographical area. Hyphen a country. Many countries. Or comma a country.
larger geographical area.
Hyphen country. A country. Many countries or the entire world. Next, right? Weather. Daily changes in the atmospheric condition. Daily changes in the atmospheric conditions. Changes in the atmospheric conditions, which is observed for at any given point of time, which is observed for daily changes in atmospheric conditions, which is observed for at any given point of time. At any given point of time. Example, weather of Mumbai. Weather of Mumbai. Purna, your handwriting has to be improved. Weather of Mumbai. Hyphen, how is Mumbai climate? Moderate. You didn't remember? So Delhi is what? But our to word बोला Delhi. वो जो आपने हमको बहुत पढ़ाई मानते दिल्ली वाले फिर से Delhi come on Delhi and Mumbai की चलिए write down weather हुआ then write one more sentence it is what did I say? It is observed for a smaller geographical area. My turn is very busy. What is it happening? It is observed for a smaller geographical area. Hyphen. So, a narrow concept. Understand what narrow? Narrow concept. For climate, you write a wider concept. Distinguish, I'll ask you to write. If not, I'll give it separately. Maybe meet next time. Correct? Then let us write factors affecting climate or directly teach you season first. Which one you want? So this is there given in the bottom. You can easily do it. Which one you want to do? This only? Now, okay, write down. Factors affecting climate. At the seasons. Okay, write down seasons. India experiences a distinct four. You understand? Seasons which are I'll use the textual words, then I'll make you to write the words which we have studied in our school days. So you write first advancing season of monsoon. First line. Advancing season of monsoon. Advancing. What is advancing? Coming for you. Bracket open June to September. Now this you need to practice. See, advance sun killer. Chasing advancing season of monsoon. Bracket में लिखो June to September. It is September. So that's why she likes that word. What's the name I said earlier? Alice Mandal. No. क्या difference है Alice और Cinderella में? Let the bring. Alice कौन सी मेरे बारे में अच्छा कौन सी Alice को मैं बोल रहा हूँ अच्छा anyway मेरा ग्रुप को Alice थी second so June to September लिखा and next you write the retreating monsoon. The retreating monsoon, season of retreating monsoon, but you write retreating monsoon. I'm following the textual words. This is the one. Then you write October, first season. You have to write advancing season of monsoon, June to September. Second, you write retreating monsoon, October to November, inside a bracket. Third season. Cold weather season. लिख लो, but when I'm explaining cold weather season of winter. Bracket, what is the month? December to February. Very good. Now you'll learn the season. The fourth one, what is left out? The summer season. You write hot and humid summer season. Hot and humid summer season. Okay. So, what is the first season that you have written? Shall I explain first, or shall I give the notes about all the four seasons? Confirm. Yeah, they don't want anything to write. And that's good. So you like my explanations? Pakka? Okay. What is a good thing that you like? अच्छा और बाकी सब बुलाते हैं ठीक है थोड़ा और क्या करते हैं oh very good so you love the math he said yes which topic okay so let us understand nothing but the first season that you have written what is it advancing season of monsoon so I'll write advancing M and M not monsoon season. Got it? Let us draw something which you will say, kya bana kya raha? Correct? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. Yes, malum hai? Let us have the direction coming. Indian Ocean. To the south of India. Come on, Indian Ocean. Everyone, Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea. Bob. Himalayas. That's absolutely right. Himalayas. Okay. So I like the Himalayas. Now, how to understand the season of monsoon? So although it is written as June to September, it starts in the month of May. And there is a something zone called ITCZ. Come on, who can tell me the full form of ITCZ? Ah, very good. Very good. We call it as Indian Tropical Climatic Zone. But I can put a new word. It is Intertropical Climatic Zone. If I say what is ITCZ, this row. What is ITCZ? Come on, ITCZ. Indian. Inter, come on. Climatic zone, once again. No synchronization. Come on, ITCZ. 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 फिर बोलेगा ITCZ. Intertropical Climatic Zone. Again, I'm asking, what is ITCZ? But उसको एक लाइन में कैसे लिखें? It is the season of, it is a zone of high temperature and low pressure. Come on, zone of high temperature and low pressure. What does it mean? Generally, during the month of May, I say May first week, the temperatures are very, very high. Correct? So if the temperatures are high, automatically the atmospheric pressure will be, it will be low. At the same time, that is May, here the temperatures are low. I'm saying temperatures are low. So what is atmospheric pressure? High. One. I said high, she said why. Anybody? She is asking always why. Anybody, why? This is the behavior. Generally, it is opposite behavior of temperature and pressure. Which pressure? Very good. There is a reason behind. I'll explain later when I'm going to give the notes. So always remember, come on everyone, low temperature. Low temperature. Only pressure बोला तो भी चलेगा. Low temperature. High temperature. Low pressure. High temperature. So what is happening? So now we have the winds which we call them as trade winds. Correct? इसको ईस्टर्लीज भी बोलते हैं कभी वेस्टर्लीज वो अलग-अलग उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज होता है तो नॉर्मली से वी आर नॉर्थ ट्रेड विंड्स और एक्चुअली नॉर्थ ईस्ट है इंडिया का नॉर्थ ईस्ट नहीं है ग्लोब का नॉर्थ ईस्ट है सो दे स्टार्ट ब्लोइंग वेयर दे ब्लो ओवर इंडियन ओशन व्हिच मंथ first week of May. So these are winds which are generally blowing from high pressure and low temperature. So since the pressure is high, it will pick up lot of moisture. correct? And there are two branches. The first branch is Arabian Sea branch, and the second branch is Bob branch, which is entering India. Abhi ho jayega May, we can say third week. Okay, third or fourth week. I don't understand it. By the time it enters India from both the direction, it tries to go and strike whom? The Himalayas. And what are Himalayas better known as? Barriers. Do you have barriers at your home? Nobody does. Ranges hai ghar mein? Oh my God. Barriers matlab when you are trying to skip the house of the corridor or anything, Papa, kidhar ja raha hai? है ना? Have you seen the Ambuja cement ad?
Yeah.
So you automatically. What is the good thing about the ad? That is कभी चलतेगा नहीं. But वो तो और कुछ है ना? Since Ambuja cement is the entire city is in one hand. पूरा city अंदर है. Ambuja cement. What does it mean? The Himalayas are like that barrier. Both Arabian Sea wind and Bob wind try to escape out of India. Himalayas बोल सकते किधर जा रहा है. सर आपसे बच के नहीं जा सकते. Why? They are the loftiest mountains. They are the tallest mountain. As she said, they are the divide. Which divide? Climatic divide. Between whom and whom? Between India and China. To be very specific, India and Tibet. Tibet suna na? So if the winds are not allowed to go, they have to descend. You know what I mean by descending? Now it will be the first week of June. So when they descend, what is happening? Condensation happens. You know what is condensation? What is condensation? And what is the operation? So normally condensation, the water vapor converting themselves into water molecules. So we always differ between the black cloud and a white cloud. Which cloud gives you rainfall?
Black cloud.
Why not white cloud?
White.
It is just a cloud. Kuch nahi hai na? So normally when the clouds descend, then water molecules become bigger, bigger and bigger. When they become bigger, they drop over the India. And this is nothing but precipitation. Precipitation in India is in the form of rainfall and snowfall. हमको hail या hailstone कभी-कभी गिरता है, but है इंडिया में बहुत कम से कम. So normally when the June, I can say 1 to 10 or sometime 15th of June, we have the first rainfall. And we have only 2 parts of India. Can anybody tell me which part of India received the first shower? In fact, that shower is called as mango showers. Karnataka. Kerala. And then we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Actually, मैं अंडमान को बहुत दूर कर नहीं सकता है. ऐसा बोलूँगा. A and N. Andaman and where is Kerala? Correct. So when Andaman, Nicobar and Kerala gets the first rainfall, we say who has officially come into India? The hot and wet rainy season has started. Some people say a rainy season it is wet, but why it is hot? I'm just observing at a hand gesture because you hold your hands like this slightly, and now answer. No, hold your hands. Who's humidity? Why it is hot? During this season, the temperature doesn't fall. The temperature remains 30 and above only. अभी आपने देखा generally, but Mumbai में थोड़ा बहुत season temperature drop होता है 26, 27, 28 भी जाता है. But generally the temperature doesn't fall below too much. It remains 30 and above or 30 to close. That's why it is called as hot bhi hai or wet bhi hai. Is it okay? Mumbai, all over India. Which is the highest rainfall region in the world? Meghalaya. Which is that place called as? Very good. Now we have a new place. He's saying, that new place. Idhar hai. You know, what is that place? Sorry? Masood. Who can pronounce this word? Ma'am, kidhar hai?
That's the.
I don't know. It's Mousing Ram. Come on, say everyone. Many people say it's a difficult. Who was that? Wait, Bombay se bahar hota. It is Mousy plus Ram. और बीच में N डाल. Mousing Ram. Will you forget now? So which is the highest rainfall region in the world? Where it is? In Meghalaya. Cherrapunji is also right, but Cherrapunji se bhi zyada rainfall abhi idhar milta. Both are in Meghalaya. So which is the highest rainfall region in the world? So now we have started with the monsoon like this. So it is ITCZ. What is ITCZ, everyone? अगर और अच्छा आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ना है तो ऐसा बोलने का इंटर ट्रॉपिकल कन्वर्जेंस जोन. क्या बोला तूने? अरे अपना इंटर ट्रॉपिकल ऐसा बोलना. दिस इज मुंबई एक्सेंट.
हमको स्पेलिंग आती है हम लोग को एक्सेंट अपना.
नहीं चाहिए. बिल्कुल. Okay, thank you. She is appreciating me. तेरा accent बहुत घटिया है हमारे साथ. Okay, so this is the monsoon which has already started. So we have generally monsoon all over India, evenly distributed or unevenly distributed.
Unevenly.
Very good. We have the rainiest region and we have the less rainfall region. Which place? Rajasthan. Which place? The Thar Desert. Or we have a place called Jaisalmer. Have you heard of Jaisalmer? Oh, everyone knows. What is Jaisalmer famous for? Huh? I don't know. ये क्या मुझे देख के हंस रहा है. अरे मैं जरूर में गया हूँ. It's very awesome. छोड़ इधर. मुंबई में है. So we always play. There are hottest places in Mumbai, in India, as well as we have very rainfall region. In fact, if I say average rainfall is 300 to 100 centimeters. But if I want to say Mousing Ram, I will say it is 1080 centimeters of rainfall, annual rainfall. If you remember that Mumbai monsoon, and entire Mumbai was in deep waters. Were you born at that time? 4 and 5. Were you born? You were born. Oh, brother was born. I remember I was one of the victim of that monsoon. तो तुरंत मेरा 12th था. तू जिंदा बच्चा क्यों? हाँ, your grand. मैं इतना भी बोलूँ. Okay, Mumbai experienced only this much rainfall. Imagine 1080 rainfall. And lucky, Panvel people have got the food packet thrown using a helicopter. इतना पानी भर गया. Oh, in helicopter?
No.
I went to Lower Parel, if you heard that place.
Yes.
At that time, I used to use an imported Nokia phone. That time it was very. I taught one of my students, uska papa Delhi ka sheikh kuch to tha. He passed away because he not passed away, passed away. The student, which are 3 saal se fail ho raha tha, but with my little bit of guidance, he passed. So his dad gifted me, for which I paid him, a Nokia 6600 mobile. In those days, that was very. अच्छा सुना है आप लोगों ने? हाँ, very heavy and तो उसका servicing सिर्फ lower पर में होता था. And that day I went very gorgeously without taking the umbrella also. Because still 12 o'clock rainfall. अभी एक मैडम ने climate का बोला ना हिंदी में लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. हल्के फुल्के बूंदा बांदी होगा. हर जगह यही होगा. umbrella छोड़कर जाइए वरना दूसरा कोई लेके. So I didn't even carry my umbrella. The rainfall started approximately, I remember, by 1:30 in the afternoon, and then it never stopped. I had some good friend circle. I was in my 11th and 12th. I was in my degree colleges. I think I had a good band of circles, and they were using riding bikes at that time. We were saying, "Ore rainfall है, पढ़ना पढ़ाएंगे, मजा आएगा." हमारा उधर का जो कैंपस वाला बंदा बोला rainfall is very heavy, you can't take your bike after Dadar. So one of my friend was working in a big hospital that time. उसने बोला हमारा कैंपस में पार्क कर देंगे, Don't worry, we'll pick it tomorrow. So from Lower Parel to Dadar, we started 4 o'clock. We reached Parel, Dadar 7 o'clock in the evening. जहां भी जाएगा, take a U-turn, take a U-turn. कोई खड़ा नहीं था. Rainfall was so heavy. In fact, I came the next morning only. Half the way I walked, half the way I dropped, and some people picked me up. किधर पानी में जरा आजा हमारे साथ. Correct. Why? What has happened? Although Mumbai experienced only 9 centimeter, that day Mumbai experienced the highest of the high tide. So it's like water, rainwater getting into Arabian Sea. ये लो पानी रखो. Arabian समुद्र ये लो पानी लेके जाओ. है ना? तो दोनों ने जो मिला, तो गटर का पानी and Arabian Sea का पानी, जो मिला फिर मुंबई में कोई नहीं मिला. Seriously, after 2 days, some people are caught in Worli through the gutter water उधर जाके पड़ा है. हाँ देखो जनरल दिला बिना टिकट लिए भी वर्ली पहुंच सकते हो. जाने का तो उसको बैंड. I met 2 of the gentlemen somewhere near Kurla. बोला सर हमको वीटी जाने का, कैसे जाने का? ये गटर शायद उधर ही जाते को. क्या साहब आप मजाक कर रहे हैं? मैं खुद भी पानी में, मैं कहाँ से मजाक करेंगे? I remember my dad used to say the water was at this level. Water was some places the water was up till this level. So we used to catch our nose. And some of my friends say, "Alkesh, you know swimming?" I said, "No, I don't know." So then don't worry at all. बोले क्यों? गटर में घूमते घूमते जाएगा और नेक्स्ट टाइम उठाने. Because Mumbai, you know, someday they keep the gutter का जो ऊपर का जो पार्ट है वो ऊपर रखते हैं. And we were walking like this. Like this, like this. Suddenly एक बार बोला, अरे कोई काम लग रहा है, अरे पकड़ो गया. Correct. So we always believe monsoon plagues havoc with Mumbai. It's like Mumbai mayor, the lady, I don't remember the lady, she said we are prepared for the monsoon. Water rushes with a great speed. Marine, Baba, ye pura jakar hai. Good, huh? Then मैंने पूछा मैडम what are you saying? Mumbai is prepared. We have dropped one boat at the house and the building. बोले क्या है? चल के नहीं जाने का, बोट में बैठ के जाओ. बोले क्यों? पानी इतना भर गया है ना? तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर वाला टेरेस में जाके खड़ा है, पानी कितना भरा है देख लीजिए. सेकंड फ्लोर तक वेरी गुड. बहुत नाटक करता था म्यूजिक सिस्टम. अब गया सर आपका फर्स्ट फ्लोर में, मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं म्यूजिक सिस्टम. एक बीवी थी वो भी पानी में गई जाने. So we always believe that monsoons are not evenly distributed. They are unevenly distributed. Are you understanding? So we have to study the monsoon zones in India. So this is just the monsoon onset. This is just the arrival. Did I not say monsoon mechanism? Alex explain करेगा. ये हो गया. So this is which monsoon in India? Because this is southwest monsoon. Come on everyone.
Southwest monsoon.
Or it is also known as summer monsoon. Also known as
Summer monsoon.
Chalo everyone pick up the notebook, put that heading. Already you put 1 and draw the peninsula like this what I've done. Again I will also draw with you. Only the picture, diagram, not the picture. So that you will never forget how is the monsoon coming into India. Already you written the heading, now no need to write. What is the number of that point? First point only, advancing monsoon. So draw along with me quickly, come on. So I'm waiting for you. Oh, Himalayas are ज़्यादा India में. The Himalayas. Anji?
The presentation.
Who is going to do? Come on, I'm waiting. Why don't you point others? If you are ready, you point. Let us have a difference. After drawing the diagram, Purna will do. Come on. Presentation of the Himalayas. Monsoon. Quickly draw it. Did you? Then draw. What is this, everybody? IT. Good. Never forget this. ये normally central और northern India में बनता है. And then draw, and then you write low temperature and high pressure. low temperature and high pressure. Okay, then here you write high temperature and low pressure. Did you guys write? Quickly, फिर अपने को arrow mark डाल के ये क्या पेनिनसुला को इधर ऊपर कर दिया और हिमालय को बेंच में ड्रॉ करेगा इतना कंफ्यूजिंग करके किधर लेके जा रहे हैं बजट में फिर किधर लेके जा रहे हैं बोलो तो सही then that's good you are saving for your parents cut what did I say yeah correct no, that's right no? You must take it she's cultural parent. Did everybody draw?
Yes.
Okay, let's show the small arrows. Huh? So these are which monsoon winds? Southwest monsoon winds, also known as trade winds, correct? Who is still smiling, laughing, not smiling. Take one as Sanika and Sanika. And then what? शान के साथ नहीं बैठने का अच्छा शांत बैठा अच्छा later leave us. He is a painter of us. You know there is a beautiful painting of a girl. What is that painting called as? She is that. There are notebook. What is the beauty of Mona Lisa? You keep the painting anywhere and you hide anywhere. She will come and say, "You know, I touch." As a the eyes and the smile, nobody can. Let's say you stand any corner of the room, the eyes will straight look at you. Until today, historians are searching who कौन है beautiful लड़की, but अभी तक नहीं मिला. पूछे क्यों? मैंने कल ही उसको passport visa लेके foreign भेज दिया. Some people say it is Leonardo da Vinci himself. What is that?
She doesn't have eyes.
Eyebrows तो नहीं है, and eyeballs. Correct. And the smile of that girl, absolutely amazing. Okay, did you write? So ऊपर लिखो. Which monsoon did I say? Advancing bracket में नीचे लिखने का summer monsoon. Because the next season I will be teaching is winter monsoon. क्या हो गया? You tell me, Anjit.
Exactly.
What does it mean exactly?
Like wherever you stand in the room, she's just looking at you, just
So because you are girl, na? Ask a boy. कोई भी नहीं देखते चलो पेंटिंग वाली तो देखती है फिर
there might be some boys who might find it.
who's that some boys how do you
I
know some
don't
boys
know.
you're not a boy now do you blame the boys है ना then we enjoy see we adore someone is looking है ना boys बेचारा टेंशन में है ना Let us have Mona Lisa painting once displayed so that you will shall I display it right now?
Sorry.
क्यों नहीं? तो बाहर जाने को क्या?
If you